Star Riders. On pole, we have Kerwin Chang of 4S1M KC99 Sumulong, 108.630. Second, our international racer Dustin Esguerra of Team Faito Coso Dino DE69 Racing Team, 108.812. 0.02 seconds lang. Third, and making his first appearance back in the Moto IR Series since 2021, Bry Arsuba of Pitts Bike Sec, CRA Pitts Bike Sec Moto Supply VS Racing Team. Okay, he's racing under the CRA Sec Moto Supply franchise team. Bry Arsuba with a time of 108.919, no? But I think Bry Arsuba will be in a 5th position because he was given a back of the grid penalty because of a change of CRA Super RR Racing Team. Again, our international rider fresh from Taiwan getting a podium finish. Fourth will be Jacob Sablaya of Honda Project FI Racing Team. And as I've said, 5th on the grid will be Bry Arsuba because of a penalty. And 6th will be JM Ingito also for a penalty of changing the engine after QTT. So wag po kayong kukurap. Ito po probably ang pinaka magandang race natin for the year because we have 6 of the fastest underbone riders in the Philippines. Our usual 5, they are joined by none other than Bry Arsuba. He's actually our IRGP and Moto IR champion way back 2021. Our Masters Trophy champion in 2022 IRGP here last April. And of course, he dominated the Moto IR scooter class way back in 2021. Now, Bry Arsuba is back. And let's see how he will fare against our franchise team rider. Suba actually now is also a franchise team rider under the SEC Moto Supply CRA team, no? Because Suba is a SEC Moto Supply rider and CRA SEC Moto Supply is SEC Moto Supply's franchise team here at the National Series. So Suba will be occupying the 5th place on the grid, while Jay Ingito will be the last. Okay, our pole position winner, Kerwin Chang of 4S1M KC99 Sumulong. And he's also running for the overall NAMSA Rider of the Year. Let's see if he can keep this position this year. This will be the biggest Underbone Open GP grid with the addition of, again, as I said, Brian Arsuba. And with Engito staying at the back of the grid, good chance na makalayo si Kerwin Chang. Not if the second rider on the grid, Dustin Esguerra of Dino Motor Oil, Faito Coso, can give Kerwin Chang a headache, no? So wala si JE, nandiyan naman si Dustin, no? So let's see. Dustin is fast, no? Qualifying second overall. Again, for Dino Moto R Oil. Kasi, of course, this is the Dino Moto R UB Underbone Open class. Next him on the grid is wala. Again, supposed to be Suba, but he's relegated to 5th place because of a changed engine. So, 4th, we have Taiwan superstar RR Espiritu with his very nice Kenny Roberts inspired helmet. RR Espiritu of a CRA Super RR Racing Team. Sponsored, of course, by Gillen. Next to him is Honda Project M Kobe Racing Team, Jacob Sablaya. No, he crashed in the Super Sport Moto IR race. Let's see if he can keep it up together this race. Ayan. Andiyan na po ang raindrops. 5th is Brian Arsuba. First time back from Moto IR race in 2021. He's back this 2023. Brian Arsuba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pitts Bike Racing Team. Yan. And of course, at the back of the grid, yan, will be John Emerson Engito of 4S1M Yamaha Evo, who is at the back for changing engine. Tingnan natin. There are only 7 riders covered only by less than 1 second. So, practically nothing. Alright. Here is your most exciting race of the day. 6 superstar riders. So, good luck, gentlemen. And mga nanonood, hold on to your seats. Ngayon lang po sila magkakaharap-harap for the first time this year. Chang, Esguerra, Suba, Espiritu, Sablaya, and Engito in one grid here at Tarlac Circuit Hill. Mukhang umuulan pa. Mukhang nabigyan tayo ng excitement. So, let's see what the race directions decision is. So, race direction has declared it as a wet race. So, it's a wet race now. So, laps will be reduced to from 12 to 10 laps. Okay, teams, riders, it's been declared wet race. So, laps has been reduced to 10 laps. Please, the lap board, 10 laps. Alright, here we go. Dino Moto IR Underbone race. Whew, exciting pa. Wet race pa tayo ngayon. Again, Chang, Esguerra, Suba, Espiritu, Sablaya, and Engito. Wet race. So, reduce race distance to 10 laps. Reduce race distance to 10 laps. Wow, hindi natin alam ngayon talaga kung sino mananalo. Baka maubos ang boses ko rito. Okay, 10 lap race, wet race. So, reduce distance to 10 laps. The race, wala naman tayong problema sa tires because the rule is all-weather tires po ang ating rules dito sa Moto IR Underbone Open National Class. Wala po tayong slicks. So, that's why we do not need to change tires to race under wet conditions. We just need to call the team and riders' attention that it's a wet race so they can proceed with caution. And of course, the race distance has been reduced to 10 laps. Sabi nga nila, blessing ang ulan, no? So I think the first race is a blessing, no? We are being blessed for this first race. 6 riders. Here we go. Here we go. All right, 6 riders. Here we go. Oh, Kerwin Chang got a good shot. Whole shot race, but RR Espiritu nearly took second place, but it's Dustin Esguerra preserving his second place. So it's Chang, Esguerra, Espiritu, Ingito already in 4th place, while Suba in Sablaya is fighting over 5th place. Now it's Suba in 5th place with Sablaya. Medyo settle down muna. It's just the first few corners. So mga fans, take note, first time lang po nila magharap-harap since what, 2020 or 2019. Okay, even sa Jacob wasn't there in 2021. So it's Kerwin Chang, Ingito, second place, Suba, third place. No, it's Suba, it's Espiritu, third place, Esguerra, fourth place. Our 4 international riders on the top 4 position. Of course, followed by Suba and Sablaya. There you go, Ingito, our Japan race winner, trying to get Kerwin Chang. Meanwhile, our ACRR team, so it's again the battle, Team ARRC versus Team ACRR. So ACRR riders batting over third place, while our ARRC riders is batting for the lead. But Vrayar Suba, the returning superstar here at the Moto IR, is up to 5th place. So go easy on Mr. Suba. First race lang po niya pabalik dito sa National Series natin. So first time po niya uli sa Tarlac to compete in Angry the Open class. So tignan natin how high he can go up the ladder. Ito na po, sumisilip na po sa harap, sa loob ni Espiritu si Suba. Si Dustin Esguerra is in 3rd place. So mahabol po ang Team ACRR sa Team ARRC. Okay, so Team ARRC 4S1M. Okay, nandiyan si Dustin. Tumututok na agad kay JE. And Espiritu, our podium finisher in Taiwan, is now in 4th place. Pero si Suba nandiyan na po in 5th place. Mukhang baka po next year meron na tayong itong ating 6 na to maging 6 na international rider. There goes Jay Ingito in the inside of Kerwin Chang sa kanilang favorite passing corner, sa fastest corner of the racetrack. So currently po 4 lang po dito, ito mga to 4 lang po ang international riders, but I believe by next year 6 na po silang magiging international riders. So we might have our very own international class here at the Philippine Nationals. Yan, si Das ang Team ACRR rider, Dustin Esguerra, hindi nagpapaiwan sa mga ARRC riders. Dikit na dikit po ang 4, and of course Suba is there trying to get on the side of RR Espiritu. Yes! Yan po, nakaisa na si Suba. Suba is now in 4th place ahead of RR Espiritu. Meanwhile, Jacob Sablaya is medyo naiiwan sa likod. Tingnan natin kung makakadikit siya sa top 5. So Suba is trying to show why he deserves to be on this grid, fighting with the top international and national riders of the Philippines in underbone racing. Yan na, nasa likod na ni Dustin si Suba. So na-break na ang Team ACRR, na-sandwich na sa loob si Suba. Meanwhile, si Ingito, si Kerwin Chang, with the presence of Suba and Dustin, hindi na sila makarelax. So immediately, Ingito have his head down. Hataw na agad si Ingito. Kasi hindi sila pwedeng mag-usap ni Kerwin Chang ngayon. 3 ang nakabanta sa kanila to take over the win. So it's Ingito, Kerwin Chang, Esguerra, Vrayar Suba, Espiritu, and then Sablaya. I'm sure marami pong nanonood ngayon dahil first time pong lalaban ni Suba sa ating mga international and national star riders here in the National Series. And right now, Suba is doing a fine job keeping pace with the top 3 riders. So I think Esguerra will be his next target before he takes on the 2 ARC riders. Kaya yan, si Inguito talagang lumalayo na, not making the fight so close. But behind Esguerra is Team CRA Sec Moto Supply Pits Bike of Bri Arsuba. First time naming magkaroon ng Sec Moto Supply rider sa GP class sa underbone. Kasi ang CRA Sec Moto Supply is focused on the backbone class and only has SP riders in the underbone category. So Suba and RR now, both will now represent CRA in this category. So actually, Espiritu and Suba are teammates in terms of franchise teams. Half race na tayo. Ang bilis, 5 laps. Inguito pulling away. Your Japan ARRC winner pulling away from Kerwin Chang, another ARC rider, and then Dustin Esguerra, our ACRR rider, podium finisher, and of course Suba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pits Bike Racing. We'd like to thank Moto Supply and Pits Bike, Sec Moto Supply and Pits Bike, for giving Bri Arsuba a chance to join Fritzy's franchise team, to join the nationals for this leg of the Moto IR Championship. Ayan na po si Suba at si Dustin nakatutok kay Suba. Medyo pumasok si Suba sa loob ni Dustin, hindi na tuloy. 4 laps to go. Pagpasok, wala na, kumawala na si JE. Si Kerwin is within striking distance pa rin ni Dustin Esguerra. Yan, si Dustin Esguerra po, pinakabata sa mga riders natin, pero nandyan pa rin talaga. Diba? Parang ano pa si Dustin, looks like kaya pa niyang magtagal another 10 more years. Ayan. Dustin Esguerra will also be celebrating his 20th anniversary. Just kidding. Here we go. Dustin Esguerra, nakatutok pa rin po kay Kerwin Chang. With Suba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pits Bike trying to get a podium finish on his first race back here at the Moto IR Championship. Remember, Suba was a Moto IR champion way back 2021 and the Masters champion way back 2022 here in Tarlac. Parang preview na po ito ng ating IRGP. This will be the people, the riders who will be competing at the topmost level. Meanwhile, Sablaya has fallen back as far as 9 seconds. Sabi naman ni Mickey Torres there goes Suba on the inside of Dustin Esguerra in the first corner, successfully getting it. Tingnan natin, hindi bumibigay si Dustin on the outside. Tingnan natin. I think Suba has it now. Late breaking Suba. Nag-wide si Suba. Babalik si Dustin sa loob. Nakuha uli ni Dustin. Yan po, ganyan tayo ka-tight. Late breaking. Hindi talaga ni Destroyer. Destroyer versus Race Ready Suba. Parang MotoGP tayo na naman si Suba on the inside. Parang Phillip Island lang kahapon. But this time, Esguerra has no answer, wasn't able to take it back immediately. So Suba now is in third and podium place finish in this Dino Moto IR Underbone race with 3 laps to go. Wow, Race Ready Suba now is eyeing Kerwin Chang to get that second place finish. Pero knowing Destroyer and RR Espiritu, hindi sila papahuli. We still have 2 laps. Ayan naman si Suba. Wow, this is a good Ayan na po si Dustin. Si Dustin naman ang papasok sa loob ni Suba. And Suba pumasok na rin sa loob ni Dustin. Now Suba is in second place. Wow! Suba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pitch Bike is now in second place. Ahead of Kerwin Chang and Dustin Esguerra. Si Jay Ingito na lang po ang kanyang habulin. Para po tayong ARRC 4S1M versus Pitch Bike versus Honda versus Faito. Two laps to go. Yan, medyo lumalayo na rin si Suba kay Kerwin Chang. So, what an impressive showing from our Moto IR champion way back 2021 and our Masters Trophy IRGP champion Suba. Last lap, 1 lap to go. Jay Ingito, look back and medyo malayo na si Suba. But whoa, what a race by Briar Suba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pitch Bike Racing. Bry Suba ready to ano bang si Bry? Ready to race yata si Bry. Race ready Suba, yan. Bry race ready Suba. Pulling away from Kerwin Chang. Trying to still catch Ingito for the win, but I don't think he will catch Ingito with just half lap to go. But Dustin Esguerra is trying to get the last podium finish for Kerwin Chang. I think Baby Esguerra will still have a chance to get the last podium finish. Ito na po. Ayan na. I think they will have the checkered flag. Okay. Okay, Ingito. Checkered flag for Ingito. Pagpasok. Yes, checkered flag for Ingito. Second place for Suba. Kerwin Chang, third place. Esguerra, fourth place. Espiritu 18 and Sablaya, 6th place. Wow. Whoa. There's your race winner, John Emerson Ingito, 4S1M Evo Yamaha. Wow. What a good race and what a comeback race from Bry R. Suba. Bry R. Race Ready Suba. There you go. Congratulations, Jay Ingito, for winning the Dino Moto IR Underbone Open. And with that, he seals, I think he will seal the... No. It's Kerwin Chang who will take the championship, I think. Let's see, because he's ahead of Ryan Espiritu. So we'll wait for the official tabulation, no? So, John Emerson Ingito for the win, but I think Kerwin Chang will get the championship. But what a good race also from Bry R. Suba of CRA Sec Moto Supply Pitch Bike VS Racing Team. Pa ko yung aalis, next race naman po is your another big race with another superstar rider joining the National Series. This time we have a World Super Sport quality rider, point scoring rider, Troy Alberto, racing against Fritzy Claveria, Alfonsi, Jacob Sablaya, and of course another new rider, our first Moto IR3 junior rider, Casey Clamor. Ayan po, Jay Ingito, congratulations.